Dispatch, Chief 121. Crashed on runway 24. One occupant appears to be out of the aircraft.
Chief 121.
Dispatch from Chief 121.
Gas 1. Can you answer your phone?
Call the station. And give me a TAC channel, please.
Chief 121, you can use fire tax 5.
Fire TAC 5, thanks.
Orland number 1, stations 3639, respond 148 Aviation Lane, Arnold Palmer Regional Airport, for a plane crash on runway number 3. Operations fire tax 5.
That's from Chief 121.
Chief 121.
536 and 39 come in, use gate 14.
Gate 14 or 6. 3639, respond 148 Aviation Lane, Arnold Palmer Regional Airport, runway number 3, for an alert 30. Chief 121 requests you access from feed 14. Operations fire tax 5.
Command 121 from Rescue 39. We're turning in the airport now. One out here to we're at 39 and stop by your chief's vehicle. Hold there.
Rescue 36 on airport property. We're going to gate 14 now. What's your orders?
Same orders. You come down from the gate, you'll see us out. Come out and stand by 39.
10-4, let's go south now.